So I can already see this ain't gonna go as planned. I was gonna get on Maria and show you where she's at riding around, but I didn't realize she's never been out here with cows in here before. So I am going to change the plan up a little bit. So I'm not going to get on her with her this worried about the cows. She wants to come back in. You can go ahead and clip it. So she has to get over this being scared of cows. They're not going to eat her. But what I am going to do, I'm going to put one or two in there with her. These two would be good. These are pretty gentle cows here. They'll go out. But she wanted to go over the gate, so we pull that roll down door down. Give her a chance to get less scared. I'm gonna just let her stand here and chill. Not adding any more pressure. She can only stay scared for so long. Yeah, the cow's more gentle than the horse. You let me get a halter on you? A lead rope? Angle, that's fine. That's fine. So what I'm after now, we're closer to the cows, obviously. I want to get her to realize that she can make the cow move. See her demeanor change? Now she's wanting to go to the cow. She's walking faster than me now. I don't want the cow to come back at her. Soon as they realize they can make it move and it's not going to eat them, their whole demeanor changes just like this. Let's go around this way now. What I want to try to avoid There's a cow coming back at her. And she went to trot after it that time. Conquering her fears. Isn't what I was going to do with her today, but this is just as productive. Let's go make this one move. There you go, good girl. All right, so I will be doing more of getting her used to cows. She has to be she has to be okay with me riding her around them. There's always going to be cows here, and she's trying to trot after it. So I'll keep going forward with this. Until next time, thank you for watching.